Hello and welcome to Enchanted Sparkle Crafts. Today I'm giving myself a little bow making challenge. I'm going to see how many of these mini bows I can cut from one A4 sheet of chunky glitter. I'm going to be hand cutting these. I don't normally hand cut, I'd normally die cut, so I don't know for certain how many I'll get out of it. Normally I get 5 pairs of these mini bows when I die cut, but I'm hoping I might get more by hand cutting. I'm also going to see how long it takes me to do it, to complete the bows in full with hand cutting. It's now 7:05 at night, so I'll check back and let you know the time when I've finished. So it's taken me 45 minutes to get to this point of the video. I've managed to make 15 of these miniature bows out of one A4 sheet of chunky glitter. It's pretty good going really, but I don't really like hand cutting because you can see little bits of pen here and there and the lines aren't perfectly straight like you would get if you die cut. I don't know if you can see the difference there. Hard to see as one's dark and one's light, but it is a much straighter edge using a die cut, but you do get a lot more from hand cutting, so it's just personal preference on that. One of my bows I like to do in half and half just to fit in the extra, so I just basically used half the template to squeeze it in where I could to get one extra bow out of it. But you do get like 5 extra bows than what you would from using the die cut, so that is pretty good going really. Yeah, so that's everything. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I will post probably another video tomorrow. Bye.